So you want to know the best way to use YouTube to grow your business? Well, pay close attention because we about to jump right into it. All right, so the first thing we're going to take a look at are the results. So that way you know that the person that's going to be teaching you actually knows what it is that they're talking about. So as you can see right here, I've generated 38 customers and it's accumulated up to about $3,000, a little over $3,000 in sales. All right. Now I'm about to show you the exact video that actually generated this income. So as you can see right here, best virtual phone system for small business. That was the name of the video. And at this particular time, if I go to analytics, you can see that this video has generated almost 6,000 views. All right. Now, how did I generate the views and how did I actually get people to, how did I actually even make money from it? So if we go back to the description real quick, you can see right here, this right here is an affiliate link. So people clicked on this link and I'm about to show you, how many people clicked on this link just last month. So you can understand that the method that I'm showing you by using YouTube for your business is very, very powerful. All right. So this is the name of the company. And just so you know that, I'm being truthful, that's the company right there. And then this is the exact link that I have in the description. So you can see in the month of October, that's 205 clicks for $0 because I didn't spend anything to get that traffic, right? So let me actually take you to an incognito browser because I want to show you something that's very clutch, right? So if I go to YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead and show you something using one of my tools. Best virtual phone system for small business. Now this right here might blow your mind a little bit. So right here, it says CPC $109. So what that means, if you're not aware, that means that advertisers are spending on average about $109 per click to even get the spot that you can see that I have that I'm ranking #1 for, right? So I want to show you how you can actually do this for your business, right? So let's kind of get into the strategy and kind of take you into, how I was thinking when it came to this particular company. So this company right here wasn't a very well-known company, meaning it wasn't a whole bunch of people on YouTube and Google typing in this particular company. So I had to use a different strategy than what I typically use, right? So let's say, for example, let me go over to one of my tools called vidIQ. So usually when I want to rank a video for a company and try to make money, I'll use the name of the company and then I'll put review on the end like this. But here's the problem with me doing that with this particular company. This company isn't well known. So if I do that, yeah, I might get some people who are typing in the name, but then there's going to be some people who will never find out about this company if I don't position it in a broad way. So instead of doing that, I went ahead and used the one that I was just talking about. Best virtual phone system for small business. 1,300 people per month are searching for this term. And then we also saw from the incognito browser that advertisers are paying on average $109 per click to even get that spot, but I'm getting it for $0. So think about how this could be, beneficial for your business. You can get in front of people on YouTube that find your stuff and purchase, and they didn't even have to know the name of your company, but you're positioning yourself in front of them. Pretty much, this is like the hack to, for like startup companies. Because they don't have to know your name for them to find you. And that's why this strategy is extremely powerful. All right. The next step that I did was I went into my tool called Morning Fame. This is another one of my tools. I then created the title in here, which you can see all of it's already done because it's an old video. And then boom, there's my affiliate link. I also leave a way for them to reach out if they have any questions. And then I create a description that includes my main keyword 3 times. All right. So how do you know it's in there 3 times? I turn on the keyword density tool just like that. Boom, there's my keyword. There's the keyword again. And there's the keyword again. Right. And then I have some similar keywords in there as well. And what I do is I also use the hashtag. So down at the bottom, you can see right here, best virtual phone system for small business and virtual phone system. So that's how I was able to generate over 205 clicks, because if we go back to the incognito browser real quick, you could see that I was ranking #1 for that particular keyword. So hopefully I saved it. Okay, boom, I'm ranking #1 right there. And so that video will stay there year after year, right? It's been ranking #1 for almost 7 months now in that specific spot, right? It took me about 2.5 weeks to get the #1 spot, but it was already ranking number 2 and 3. It was kind of like battling back and forth at 2 and 3 for a while, and then eventually it just took the #1 spot because it's the most relevant for what people are searching for, right? So let's think about it. Mine has best virtual phone system for small business. That's also my title. So the little secret I'll share with you is that YouTube ranks videos based off of relevance, right? That's why I didn't have to click on this. It was already relevant. That's why my video ranks #1, not just because of the keyword, because it's relevant to what people are searching for. Let me explain what I mean. So if we keep going down, you can see this video right here is showing 6 of the best business VoIP providers. This one says 7 of the best. This one says small business phone service. This one says top 4 virtual phone systems. Now I want you to think about this. If people are typing in the best, they want the best. They don't want to have to think about a whole lot of different ones, because in their brain, they're like, oh man, I'm going to have to wait through this video to see which one is best. And then at the end of the video, they're probably going to be like, well, now I don't even know which one I want. So when I positioned this video, I said, you know what? I want to provide people with the best, because this one right here, it actually has the phone and text compatibility together. So with that being said, there's no other companies out there that's bringing those two together. Usually it's just the text, and and then some people focus more on the phone. But when I realized that this combined everything into this perfect phone system, boom, that's when I said, okay, this is going to be the perfect keyword for this company to get visibility on the company, because now all of the people who became customers and many other people, they have become aware of the company. That's why I say this strategy is literally like perfect for a startup company, right? You have to think about what is your product or service. And even if people don't know your name, what is your product or service, and what is it that it do? What is it that it does? What does it do? Sorry. And once you understand what that is, now you can find keywords, things that people type online, and then position your video in the #1 spot. Now, what I've done for you is down below in the description, there's a free training I put together. It's going to be the first link in the description. Go ahead and click on that right now. Go ahead and put your email in, go throughout the training, and that training is going to show you the step-by-step process that I go through to actually get my videos to the #1 spot. So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this video was beneficial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.